Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the active media session so the notification can be dismissed. Pause or stop playback inside the app and then close it. Once done, force stop the app from settings right arrow apps if the control remains. Make sure you note the app name that produced the media control in the notification. This tells you where to focus next. If playback came from the browser, close that tab or exit the browser before proceeding to app notification settings. Next, open Settings and navigate to the app you identified. Tap App's right arrow the app right arrow notifications and find the media or playback channel. Disable that channel or turn off Show Notifications entirely. If the media control came from a background service or assistant, go to Special App Access, right arrow Notification Access, and revoke permission for the offending app or assistant. This prevents new media sessions from creating persistent controls. Once done, return to the home screen and confirm the notification has disappeared. For final cleanup, clear the app cache or uninstall recent updates if the notification still appears. This removes stuck background sessions. Reboot your device to reset the notification manager and confirm removal. If the control returns, double-check background services and any apps with notification access, revoke and regrant only what's necessary. Troubleshooting tip. If media controls persist after these steps, temporarily uninstall the offending app or disable its background activity. Then reinstall and recheck the notification settings to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.